Hello everyone, good evening. Today I'd like to show you my report. The topic is chocolate can help you become younger. At the beginning, just look at the introduction. Chocolate is one of the famous desserts in this world. We always look at the advertisement told us chocolate is delicious and also suggest us eating chocolate can make us become younger and more beautiful. Is it true? I think we should do the research about that professionally. And this report just shows us the process of confirming this topic professionally. So let's look at this report. Before we look at the research, just focus on the definition of key terms. Those key terms can help you understand what I mean in this topic. The first one is anti-aging, means delay of the effect of aging, especially on the skin. The second one is antioxidant. That means the material that against aging and against the cells death or the cells damaged. The third one is UV. That means the short form of the ultraviolet. It's a sort of radiation. The high level of it can cause skin damage. The last one is very important. That is sensing directive. It means any one of the chemical materials related to the caffeine, albumin, sulfide, and etc. It can be found in the plants widely and can be gained from coffee, cola, cocoa, tea, and etc. After knowing about those key terms, we just look at the research. I did a lot of research and I got many findings. The first finding is main ingredient of chocolate is cocoa. As we know, cocoa is the chocolate ingredient. Chocolate contains a lot of ingredients, such like milk, sugar, cream, butter, vanilla, cocoa, and etc. The point is, which one is the better? Which one is the measured one? Chemists do the research and told us the traditional inclusion is cocoa. This has been going on for over 3,000 years in many mainstream countries in this world, such like Mexico, American, Italian, Poland, England, and etc. The second item is the essential chemical material in cocoa is a group of sensing directives. Chemists do a lot of chemical testing and then they found that the cocoa contains a group of sensing directives. Those include caffeine, albumin, sulfide, and etc. The research also get the same result. They extract the plant material from the cocoa bean, and then they prove that those are a group of sensing directives. The third item is biochemical function of sensing directive is anti-aging function. Chemists do a group of tests and then they found that sensing directives are antioxidant, powerful antioxidant. Scientists also do the research and then scientists found that antioxidant can help old cells be replaced with the newborn healthy cells. So some antioxidant can protect the skin from damage, and another antioxidant can repair the skin damaged, such like wrinkles and edged spots. Also, there is a lot of plastic surgeons told us using sensing directives, antioxidant can help people become younger. The outcome is better than the surgery. The last item is animals experimental. There is a group of animals experiment to prove sensing directives have anti-aging functions. Those research, animals testing, is promoted by the research. They are worked in a cosmetic company. They select 10 weeks old hairless mice and then put these mice in 6 groups. After that, they extract the sensing directive from cocoa bean. After that, they apply the sensing directive on the skin of the mice. After that, they put some mice under the UV radiation for 15 weeks, 5 times each week. After 15 weeks ago, they just observe and evaluate the outcome of the skin damaged. This group, this picture, it shows the outcome of the animal testing. The first groups of picture is show the skin of the mice. We can see that the first one, group 1, use the UV radiation and without the sensing directive. Second one, without UV radiation and without the sensing directive. Third one, use caffeine. Caffeine is one of the sensing directive. Fourth one is use the cerebromin. 5th, use the cerebellum. 3rd, 4th, 5, use the radiation. The last one, use the caffeine and without the UV radiation. The outcome show the first one, the skin look at rough and with worse wrinkles. Second one, the outcome is better than the first one because the second one without the UV radiation, although it is not used the sensing directive. The 3rd, 4th, 5, they look the skin is look smooth and without the wrinkles. Although they use the radiation, but they use the sensing directive. And the last one, without UV radiation and use sensing directive. So the last one is look much more smooth. Those mean sensing directive can help the skin look very smooth. The second group of picture show the surface of the skin and the protein in the skin. In the first group, we can show that the surface of the skin looked thick and the protein inside looked to be out of the order and is not uniform. Those sides are the old engine side. Because the first one without the sensing directive and use radiation, UV radiation, 15 weeks. The second, 3rd, 4th, 5, and 6, all of these look at much better than the first one. The second one, the surface of the skin looked thin and the protein in the order. The third one looked much better than the first one and looked better than the second. Although they use radiation, but they use caffeine, one of the sensing directive. Fourth one, surface of the skin thin, and the protein uniform and in order. So it means cerebromin can help the skin and the protein better. The fifth one, that is looked very thin, and the protein is in order. So that is mean, although use the radiation, but the cell fly can help the skin and the protein much better than the group 1. The last one, I think the last one is the best condition in this group, because this one use cabin and without UV radiation. So those pictures told us that interactive can make the skin and the protein inside better. Now, let's look at the third group of the picture. That is show the cells in the mice. In the group 1, remember group 1 used the radiation and the group 1 without the sensing directive. We can see that a lot of dark red mice on the picture and a lot of dark brown spots in the picture. Those mice and the dark brown spots are all cells. So it means after the radiation, the cells began aging. But if we can solve another groups, such like the second, third, fourth, 5, 6, we cannot solve the obverse dark red spot mice or the dark brown spots. That means in another groups, such like the sensing directive group, or without non-radiation group, there is no the old cells. That means UV radiation can make the cells aging, but with the sensing directive, old cells cannot appear, although those use the UV radiation. So the conclusion is the research told us chocolate is anti-aging function because chocolate contains sensing directive. And the animals testing just proved those. With this report, I got some reflection. At first, I interested in chocolate is a healthy food. Chocolate can help us become younger and become beautiful. I'm most interested in the professional research method in this report, because I think using those methods, we can do the research by ourselves. Such like we can do another important research of the another fruits or the cosmetics. Or we also can confirm anti-aging function of chocolate through the human being test by ourselves. So I recommend this report to the students who want to study the science or the medicine. I also recommend the chocolates, especially dark chocolate, to every people, because dark chocolate contains much more sensing directives, and the sensing directives is very benefit human being. That is all. And my reflection, all the information from this report comes from the medical articles. I can make sure about all the information is useful.